Well, I looked directly at the dude and I had him on, so.
Some people care, some people don't.
Yeah. Oh, when do I get the one that's broken?
Nah, don't try this.
I'm joking. I'm probably not gonna max out. You're definitely gonna beat me.
The in-plane simulation. Heads up, hot shots. This is Agent J. Time to see what you're made of. Oh, and that red button.
Mine isn't. No, look, mine isn't even. Oh, there we go.
Yes, it is.
That kind of shit is not going to get you a suit. Let's go, let's go.
Oh man, this is slow.
Emergency. Training sequence aborted. Hold your fire. Our temple of alien bad guys are trapped, grounded, sniped. Everybody hit the streets. This is not a drill. Eyes open. Just about anywhere. Woohoo! Whoa! Serious heat. Time to roll up the wall on that. This is what we're made
That's fun.
Just got a report from the bugs that infested the MID fleet.
We run these streets. Come on, dude.
Yeah, I was sure there's one of them that or not.
Alright, MIB. Southwest situation of monstrous proportions. Biggest, nastiest thing I've ever seen that just landed. You were in Times Square or anywhere in the vicinity, we have opened up for a humongous alien. It's a big, big bug. I can give you no more clear than that. I need a visual! We're right on top of it. It's right there. Right there in Times Square. That bug is huge. So get ready to zap this thing. On the trail of a bug here.
I can't even hear mine.
I can't hear mine either. Did you get it?
Yep.
Nice.
Bonus! 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 Woo!
Oh, did you there? And yet?
Ah, come on. Only 4. Only by 4.
Oh, I know what
I don't know what you said. Cosmically average.
You could always ask them to write again since your family might have been like off.
Put yours back in the holster. Or
I'm taking it home with me.
Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit.
I will say one thing though, without the pre-show, it does get a little bit confusing for like new people. Because then you have like
Please
this.
remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit.
But I'm not complaining, I don't want to be near that pre-show.
I was gonna say the pre-show really is more just like the lore, like not
Yeah.
telling you what to do.
Yeah.
Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit.
Still got the cards?
Yeah. Wait. Yep.
Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit. Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit. Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit. Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit.
That's right, here comes some more happy people. That's right. The universe and you is so happy.
Oh, that sucks.
Aw.
Oh, that sucks.
Hey, I mean, I still, in the beginning, I still made it though. I will say that.
Letting someone think they're gonna win.
Still.
Set them up.
Still.
Really.
Come on, you do it all
Nice
the
try,
time.
though. Nice try. Oh, so I got that score without the bonus. So what does that tell you?
That's a good point. That's a good point.
Thank you. Thank you.
Step. I need 4,000 points off.
We got our picture.
Yeah.